All right, the very next day, guess what's still there? Yep. The truck is still there. I wonder how long it's going to be there for. So this is day 2. Man, I'll keep you guys updated. Peace, guys. Well, guys, we're going on day 3, and it's still there. Yeah. Unbelievable. Here we go. Yep. Still there. And I don't understand how the cops haven't freaking come and got it yet. Should I call in? Let me know in the comments below if I should just call it in. I feel like it's just going to sit there forever. And the freaking police, where they keep all the police vehicles at, it's not really like a police station, but it's where they keep all the police vehicles at, is right across the field. So let me know in the comments below if I should report it. This is just ridiculous. I feel like it's just going to sit there forever. Let me know. Peace, guys.